are currently in Wagamama's, just having a little bite to eat because we are very hungry because we've been up since 4 a.m. So this is basically our dinner, even though it's 1 p.m. So we've ordered some green tea and some water, and then I think we're gonna order some smoothies or something. So very excited for this. We have just got to Fraser's Grand's house and we are all absolutely knackered. The Wagamama's was lovely, but it sent us right to sleep. The bags are bagging, the energy is low. So I think the plan for the rest of the day is literally just to have a cup of tea, make some dinner, and then just sit and watch some TV like Dickinson's Real Deal or like Flog It or something like that. Just something easy with Fraser's Grand, and then tomorrow we'll be up bright and early for a very exciting day. So I'm going to go and watch some TV, make a cup of tea, and have a good night's sleep. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. Currently join us from the kitchen. We today are going to go to a little farm store and we're going to go have a look at some highland cows and just have a little bit of a walk around because it's such lovely sunny weather today. We thought it would be too good to miss out on, so oh my gosh, it's bright. We've just parked up at the Pollock Park to go see the Highland cows. Fraser's just getting a ticket now. It is such a lovely day. It's nice and warm actually with the sun out. We've got our little packed lunches. I think the Highland cows are this way. Yeah? Okay. We're gonna go have a look at some Highland cows. Oh my god. Look at the babies. Oh my gosh. I want them to come over here. So gorgeous. That's cool. Eating our lunch with the cows. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to leave here and go on this alpine roller coaster. Fraser with his like little stick.
Wizard.
What's your name, Gandalf? Yep. Lovely. So yeah, we're going to go on this like alpine roller coaster. It's near Edinburgh, so it's probably about 45 minutes from here. And then maybe if there's time, maybe go for a little walk in Edinburgh.
Yep. What the hell?
We are on the hill. Oh my gosh, come on Abby.
Come on, Abby.
You got this. We're going up there.
Get up there.
Oh my, wait, we're not walking up there, right? We're going on a ski lift.
Yeah. That's cool.
That is cool. Super got wristbands. And that's it, I've got my hat. So I think it's going to be a bit cold. I'm smiling.
I'm not sure what's in it.
There he is.
Yeah,
Oh, be careful, be careful.
Hold on tight.
We have to do that again. I'm crying.
Well, that was good fun.
We just did the alpine like coaster
Coaster.
thing. It was so funny.
It was so good.
Fraser and I did it first.
We did it together.
Like together.
Yeah.
And then we did it like on our own. Obviously I couldn't film on our own. But it was so good. It's so pretty here.
It's so pretty.
We've got like the lovely little sky and like the sea behind
I'll be honest,
us.
I wasn't really looking out. Were you looking out much?
I was the first time. The second time, no, absolutely not.
No.
I was
As soon
like,
as
oh
you're
man, I need
controlling
to
it, you're
break.
like-
I need to break. Like, but yeah, we're just gonna go have a look and see what else there is
There's a
here.
bunch of activities, so we might have a little.
Have a little
I saw
wander.
there's like a wee one over there, which is like you're in little rings.
Oh, that's cute.
You might have
Yeah.
you check
We're
it
gonna
out.
go have a look. Fraser just made me hike up this mountain, and I am out of breath. But it looks, oh my god, stunning. Look at it. Oh, you can't see me. Oh my god. Damn, we should have had our lunch here. Oh my gosh. Look at it. We basically just climbed like a little piece of that.
Go like out.
Oh, fair. I don't think that quite works.
It's like a welcome.
Why does my helmet not right doing it?
Why is it like this?
I don't know.
Just like cover and then no, it's like this.
Okay.
This is like quintessentially Scottish for me. It's like all just really long grass and it just gets blown by the wind by all directions and creates these little mounds because this is just grass, there's no mud.
Yeah.
But it's so solid.
Yeah. This is also the most softest grass ever. Like, boing, boing, boing. Literally. So pretty.
Gone quite far now.
Yeah, no. There's the bench that we were just sat on. Right there. Oh God, no. Really? Oh God, there's midgies. Oh my God. Random little trip, which has been so nice though. Oh, careful. Don't roll my ankle. Okay. We've about an hour and a half drive home now, and then we're gonna go to Fraser's auntie and uncle for some dinner. I think we're having chicken and chorizo for dinner. What? Paella. So yeah.